This play begins with runners at first and second base with one out. The batter hits a line drive to the first baseman, and R1, thinking the ball was caught in flight, goes back and stands on first base. Federation Rule 8, Section 2, Article 8. A runner acquires the right to the proper unoccupied base if he touches it before he is out. He is then entitled to this base until he is put out, or until he legally touches the next base while it is unoccupied, or until a following runner is forced to advance to the base he has occupied. What makes this play interesting are the actions of the first baseman. If the fielder touches first base prior to tagging R1 who is touching the base, then R1 has now regained the legal right to the base because the batter runner has been put out and should be ruled safe on the tag. This would only be one out. However, if the fielder tags R1 prior to touching the base, even with R1 touching first base, R1 would be out because the runner has been forced by the batter runner and cannot legally stand on the base. So if the fielder tags R1 first and then touches the base second, it would be a double play. In this play, the fielder touches first base with possession of the ball prior to tagging R1. For some reason, R1 leaves first base and is tagged off the base by the fielder in possession of the ball. This is a double play.